it's me, Tiger, and I'm gonna show Humberto how to make chocolate milk. So, step 1. See, look, on the box, get lecture. Then step 2, get 2 scoops of chocolate, but that doesn't work for me. I don't know why, but it doesn't work. Look, okay, now jump, mix. See, it's not chocolate milk yet. Because look at the bottom. See? Let me try it. Una más. Ooh, I don't want that much chocolate milk. Ooh. Look, you mix. See, look, it's still white. I don't know why it's not working for me. See? You can still see white. But that's not working. Maybe for them, but not for me. Maybe they're just tricking us. Okay, so mix. Oh, this is fun. Look. So I dip it in the oven and look. Huh? That's cool, isn't it? Look. See? Maybe it's cuatro. I'm gonna try this. Maybe that's it. Why is it not working? Oh yeah, it's already chocolate milk. It's already chocolate milk. Look. See, it's already chocolate milk. See, 3 scoops for me. Ready? I'll make a run for it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. Now, who should take the ship first? Me? Okay. Close this. Mix still. Still have to mix until those things go away. Daddy, Daddy, can we go to the trampoline park today?
Yes, sir.
No. Super good. Thank you. I'm the god of chocolate milk.